ko alam na may experience ko kumain ng carbonara sa Italia. Okay guys, let's say goodbye to our room here in Florence. Let's go na to Roma. Tara, let's! Okay, naka-check out na tayo. Let's go! The bus is here. We give our things and then let's go na to Roma. Woo! Usok check! Let's go! Let's go! Sakay na tayo sa bus. And we're settled. Same seat from yesterday. Tapos in the morning, they give you a bottle of water. Guys, alam niyo, hindi pa kami bumibili ng water here in Europe kasi nabibigyan kami and meron sa hotel. So, yeah. Let's go. So, we'll be driving from Florence to Rome for 4 hours. It's 8:30 now. 1 degrees dito sa Florence and we'll be arriving at 12. First stop namin is the Colosseum and then we're going to the steps. One of the iconic doon sa may Roma. So yan, while tayo ay nasa bus, syempre, dahil tayo ay gumastos kagabi, magtatrabaho tayo. Diba? Para may motivation tayo to work again. So I'll be doing and editing content. Syempre, we will make the time very productive. Mag-edit tayo while on the way. Diba? Ano ka, nag-work while ang ganda, very scenic ang ating paligid. So yan, dito tayo sa harapan. Okay. So, yan. Guys, panoorin ang mga reels natin for Watsons and Taipei 101 para naman sa mga magta-travel sa Taipei. So, yan. See you later. Kasi quiet lang dito. Hello! Good morning, people! So, 2 hours after the ride, bumaba kami guys to a gas station para mag-stretching, go on toilets, get some snacks. Because it's already 10:18 now. Taas ng araw, grabe. Ooh, sino ka dyan? Ganda ba? Taas ng araw. Oh. So yan, we'll get snacks. Me, I'm going to the toilet. So yan. Ano si Zelo? Yun, sabi ko mag-work ako, ang sarap matulog sa bus. So, ba yan? Titignan ko yung OOTD natin sa reflections. Let's check kung anong meron. We're in an auto grill once again. Yung mga pinapakita ko sa inyo na gasoline station. Ano kukunin mo, honey? Kuha daw si Jello ng bread and coffee. Me, I'll go to the toilet. Let's go. So yan, we're done. Wala naman tayong binili. Si Jello sabi niya, mga dumadaan daw. Paano sabi, Han?
Sabi, titignan si Honey Banchi ko. Baka kasi sa lipstick o sa damit.
Pulang-pula.
Nakapag-video.
Oo. Baka ganon. Saan ang bus? Nawala na, naiwan na yata kami. Wait lang guys. It's gone. Ang lamig pala guys, sagad sa bones. Sa akin, wala akong jacket.
Wala ka. Nalamig ka?
Oo.
Oo, kasi ano lang, ganito lang guys natawa.
Fit check. Nax.
May ano pala to? May
ano?
effect. Kasi
diba?
nakaka-pogi lang.
Ano?
Nakakabawas rin ng lamig.
Siyempre. So, yan. Ito promise na. Pag-akit ko ng bus, magtatrabaho na ako. Sarap ko si matulog eh.
May 2 hours pa.
May gloves pa pala ako doon. Suot na ako ng jacket. Mamaya pumapasok na sa buto yung lamig. So, yan guys. If you're going to Europe during winter time, make sure to dress up well. Ako, may heat tech ako ito. Tapos, may cardigan. Tapos, meron akong puffer jacket. Meron akong scarf. And meron akong gloves. So, ayan. Let's go back to our bus. Ganon lang ang life dito, diba? Hindi mo na kailangan mag-isip kapag meron kang tour. So, later we'll be going to Rome and then sa gabi, ano na to, Christmas Eve na, we're going to Vatican. Lamig. Sakay na tayo para warm na. Sakay and then tulog muna tayo ulit later. Makita ko sa inyo pag nasa Roma na tayo. Hey guys, and we're back. Ayan, nagbigay lang ng brief sa amin since we're already an hour away from Rome. So, ito ang magiging itinerary natin. When we get to Rome, iikot na tayo sa Colosseum, sa Spanish Steps, sa Trevi Fountain with a group. And then we'll be given 2 hours free time. So since it's Christmas Eve today, everyone decided to go to Vatican. So ayan, parang most of us, like 2 lang yung hindi pupunta ng Vatican today. So we'll be going there on our own. We'll be riding an Uber later para naman makapag-Christmas Mass tayo and see the Pope. Yan naman. Mostly that's the reason why we booked this travel tours on this date, kasi yun yung itinerary that we're going sa Vatican today. And then we go back to the hotel by ourselves. And then we check in na. Tomorrow we'll be going to Vatican. So yun guys, ito yung mga sinabi sa amin ng tour guide namin today, that we should be very vigilant. So ngayon ang magiging strategy natin ay brought Jello and I, meron kaming belt bags. So dapat hindi kita. Yung sabi nila, if you have mga watches, mga earrings, jewelry, make sure na itago siya kasi mainit siya sa mata ng pickpocket. Even sila na local dito, yun talaga, kasi parang yung iba kabuhayan na nilang gawin yun. So make sure na vigilant tayo sa mga gamit natin para happy lang ang travel. So ayan, later malapit na tayo sa Roma. Kita-kits tayo. Pakita ko sa inyo. Sobrang excited ko rin kasi 'di ba sa mga nanonood ng Emily in Paris, yung last season nila nagpunta ng Rome. So ngayon nagre-research ako, baka picture tayo sa sa mga pinuntahan nilang filming location. So ayan, later naman sa Vatican guys, they are expecting 10,000 people to visit given nga na Christmas Eve. So isa tayo sa mga pupunta doon later. So yan lang naman. We're finally in Roma. It's 12:18 now. Nasa harapan kami ng Colosseo. Grabe guys. Grabe, breathtaking. Sobrang ganda. So isasama ko kayo, syempre. So this is the fit. This is the fit. Exciting.
Falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something to do. We could go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm poking out my head through open windows, 'cause that's what I feel like.
Is this even real? We're here! Guys, nandito na tayo. First stop in Rome. Nasa Colosseo at agad tayo. Agad-agad. Very picturesque. Ito daw ang favorite area, city in Italy of our tour guide. Kasi daw, para ka talaga nasa museum guys. Imaginein mo, ilang gladiators ang dyan. Pumasok dyan sa loob, no? Ito ang group tour namin. Group photo lang kami.
Okay, say A!
Merry Christmas! Happy New Year! Team Noisy. Bus 12.
Alam na this.
Kasi ang ganda eh. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Welcome to Roma. Okay, listen. We are actually between the most famous highlight of the city, that, as you know, is called the Colosseum, but actually the name, the official name is Amphitheatro Flavian Amphitheater, because it was built by the Flavian family, 3 emperors, Vespasian, Titus, and Domitian. So it was built in about 11 years, from the 70 up to 8180, so 2,000 years ago, with 6 million pieces of travertine, limestone. Today you see many holes into it. Well, just because it was completely covered, so the surface was in marble. But the marble slab has the metal, shield the way on the top has been stolen during the centuries. So, especially since the Middle Age, the Colosseum became a sort of marble quarry. People didn't care much about history. They didn't know much. That's why. So they were using recycling, the monument. What they needed, they take it.
Yeah.
Just to understand a little bit better, a few pictures show you how it was originally. You see? With statues, a large sail, that was on the top, called Velarium, Vela Sail. It was retractable, able to cover and to protect the people from the sun. Because Rome is very hot in summer. So that's why they need it.
Okay guys, nagkaroon kami ng quick history from our tour guide, local tour guide here in Rome. So, ang Colosseum, ito guys, nasa side natin. Before pala, it's made out of marbles. Tapos yung nakikita nyo yung may mga holes dyan before. May statue dyan. Pero, along the years, nawala na. Kasi, syempre, they need money. I think they sell anything, parang ganon. So, before guys, for entertainment, ayan, free daw ang admission dyan during the fights. Pero, to make money daw, ang mga may bayad is yung pag-use ng toilets, to get services, to get food. Tapos before, may river daw dito 1 mile away. So, hindi daw nahirapan ang source of water here. Hello po! Wait lang, nagbe-video tayo. Hello po! Wait lang. Dati daw, yung way pa nila sa toilet, guys, is that parang kayo nasa table, no? Tapos sabay-sabay kayo doon. Tapos may source of water na. Then, after you use, yun, you do your thing, you wash up, tayo ka lang, ganun lang. So, yan, dati, free na free ang entertainment inside. That's how Romans did it. Pero, ang source of income nila is through the services. So, yan, makikinig ako ulit.
This is Emperor Augustus, the painted one. Huh? Augustus, the first Roman emperor.
We're leaving the Colosseum, guys. So, before, pinakita rin sa amin na may paintings pala before. Kasi, kaya nga lang nawala siya along the years kasi yung paint was water-based by Michelangelo. So, ayan, ito si Angelo. Asawa ko. Mark Angelo. Yes. So, we're leaving now the Colosseum. Sobrang ganda, guys. A must visit here in Rome. So, lakad muna tayo. We're going to Trevi Fountain now. But along the way, we'll be seeing some ruins as well. So, yan. Para kami, guys, nasa isang malaking museum outdoor. What's nice also, they show you the public toilets. As you know, no, may bayad lahat dito. I can see na from here, yung Trevi Fountain. Pero, ayan, ito. Free toilet and free, we love it. So cool.
I'm falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something to do. We could go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool.
During this period, the first traces of humans' presence are seen in the area that will later become.
I'm walking out my head through open windows, 'cause that's what I feel like.
Guys, we're on our way to Trevi. Walking distance lang siya from Roman, ano yun? Ruins, Colosseum. So yan, dito tayo. Yan guys, symbol of victory daw ito.
Wish come true. But don't close too much. Keep an eye on money, okay? They know that people go there to make a wish, so they're looking for money as you. Have a little coin right in your hands.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any coin?
Either one, even 1 cent.
Coin hacks.
Coin hacks. You bring peso, of course. Okay, guys. It's getting crowded. Let's get gelato later. We're already here at touristy, place since we're near Trevi Fountain. Yun nga, ang sabi ng tour guide namin, it's not just a fountain, it's a monument, it's a sculpture na dedicated for seas and water. So, yan. Siyempre, guys, may tradition din dito that you make a wish. So, papakita ko. Ay, sabihin ko na now kasi baka mamaya crowded. So, you toss a coin towards the fountain by your right hand towards your left shoulder. So, yung 1 coin, guys, meaning nun is that you get back to Rome. Next naman, kapag nag-toss ka ng 2 coins is that you fall in love. Tapos yung third naman, you'll fall in love, find love, and get married. Buti kasal na ako. Tapos guys, syempre, dadalhin natin sa Roma ang mga bayani ng Pilipinas. So, ang itotoss ko na coin ay si Jose Rizal. Diba? Piso. Diba? Sariling atin. We're here! Yay! Guys, we're here! Yes! The Trevi Fountain! We're entering the Trevi Fountain now. Ayan. May entrance, may signs naman siya. Pila tayo para makapag-wish. Diyan. Yan, minsan lang tayo nandito. Okay guys, let's do na ang wish. So, yun nga. You toss from your right hand towards your left shoulder para makabalik tayo sa Rome. So, ang dadali natin dito ngayon ay si Jose Rizal. Let's wish. Tapos na tayo mag-wish, guys. Let's get naman some gelato here. Okay, let's order. Okay, guys, we're getting pizza now and drink for $9.50. Thank you. Grazie. We got bacon and then this is our Fanta dahil nasa Europe tayo. Okay? Let's wait. Okay, our first pizza here. Okay, let's go. Let's eat. Yum. 5 minutes ng kapagkakain. Tama nga sila yung pizza pala dito malinis.
Pero malaki na yan kasi 4 slices.
Hello.
What?
Thank you. Thank you. Are we going? Oh, okay.
We have 3 more minutes.
Hello.
Our one of the best tour guides.
Thank you.
I have really nice.
Thank you so much. You have a nice ride as well. That's Amelia.
Yeah.
This is our tour guide from SMB.
Actually, partner ni SMB.
Yeah, galing SMB, diba? Meron silang coordinators from Philippines and then meron naman sila dito rin lokal.
Sabi guys, we're one of the best groups.
Mababait lahat ng kasama namin.
The best. Walang basag trip.
Yeah.
Kanya-kanya ng trip pero yun. Ang nakakatuwa lang kasi kanya-kanya may mga barkada, office mates,
Yeah.
family. Tapos kami
ng
partners.
mag-asawa.
Yun.
Hindi tayo mag-partners, mag-asawa.
May mga partners na.
May mag-partners. Kami mag-asawa.
So very good.
Saya. Meron kami from kids to seniors na may naka-wheelchair. So, lahat pwede sa tours.
Yes. Tsaka mag-tour hanggat kaya pa. Yun yung goal.
No. Yun yung natutunan namin ni Jello. Habang bata pa, sila mami. Hanggat si mami parang kami pa magtakbo at maglakad. Kasama natin sa tours yan. Dami yung sarap nito.
Kasi hindi mo naman siya magagawa pag nandun ka sa ano. Parang, di ba, bawat tao may twilight naman. So pag nandun ka na, bali wala na lahat ng inipon mo, wala na lahat. So, you might as well spend siya sa memories.
Yeah.
Solid yun.
Kaya ako walang ipon, puro memories eh.
Yun lang.
Ay, yan. Chok lang.
Delicious. Delicioso. Gracias. Por favor.
Grazie.
Grazie. Thank you.
Ay, sabi ko kay Jello, na-imagine mo makakain tayo ng gelato dito. Sagot niya.
Hindi.
Bakit?
Hindi ko nga alam dito kami guys. Kaya hindi ko ma-imagine tong place na to kasi hindi ko naman, wala siya sa...
Hindi niya alam yung itinerary namin. Ay, nagtatawa niya. 3! Hindi niya ma-imagine nag-gelato kami dito kasi hindi naman niya ma-imagine na punta pala kami Trevi Fountain.
Hindi ko alam yung Trevi Fountain.
Hindi niya alam. We're here now, guys, at the Spanish Steps. Ayan, di ba Emily and Paris dito din siya nag-shoot, pero huwag kayong uupo like them. Bawal yun. Oh, daming tao. Ayan, guys, ang Spanish Steps. Ang ganda, no? Okay, guys, it's 3:15 now and binigyan kami ng free time ng aming tour guide. We have 2 hours, well, 1 and 45 minutes to roam around. So we're here in front of the Spanish Steps. So yan, ang tapat naman nito, guys, are all luxury brands.
Ayan daw yung parang Fifth Avenue.
Yes, Fifth Avenue like in New York. So ayan kami, maglalakad na lang kami para walang gastos.
Makabilang side yung lakad namin, guys.
Yes, kami paakyat kami up the hill. Sila, dun sila.
Paakyat ng gastos pag sa kabila.
Yes, guys, alam nyo ba na isa rin to sa filming location ng Emily in Paris. Diyan sila umupo. Di tayo umupo kasi bawal yun. Ba't sila nakaupo? Ay, ito dito. Sure, video lang kami ah. Okay, we're done here sa Spanish Steps. Ayan. Ayan siya. Ayan. Basically, akit baba ka lang dyan. Ngayon, ilalakad ko naman kayo doon sa Sea of People. Sa tabi ng mga shops para makita nyo rin. Tara, let's be vigilant lang, of course, of your things. Yan. Okay. Talagang ang signage nila dito ay sobrang laki. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, guys, ha?
Talamak talaga dito, guys. May mga ano na signage.
Yes.
Babala.
Ang babala ay
Huwag sana kayong
hublotan. Hey. Guys, ang cute dito, oh. Lagi nilang kasama mamasyal yung mga dogs nila. Basta ha, ang babala, pinakita na sa inyo. Yeah. So, yan. Pasok tayo sa mga shop. So, unang shop dyan, Dior, Moncler, saan? Gucci.
Daming nagpapasok sa Moncler.
Maganda kasi yung mga jacket dyan. Mga bubble jacket. May Prada. May Gucci. May dog. Ito, itsura. Tayo, di na tayo papasok. Louis Vuitton. Ito, may bibilin to sa Louis Vuitton. Dito si Santa. Merry Christmas. Ho. Hanap kami siguro ng kakainan, guys, para ma-XP na maraming umupo kasi ngayon lang kami medyo may mahaba na time to sit. Yan. Dapat pala hindi tayo kumain ng pizza earlier. Hindi naman sinabi na right after nito mag-free time na. Nag-gelato na kami, nag-pizza pa. So, ano ni? O, kartehan mo. Baka gusto mo nang pumasok tayo. Baka it's time. Is it time? Time
to make a change. Just relax.
Then take it easy. Check tayo, LV. Gusto mo?
Huwag na, baka
Check lang. Check lang eh. Scared. Tingin lang kami ah. Hindi kami bibili. Huwag na. Huwag muna.
Mahal dito.
Hindi. Sa Paris ka bibili. Gusto mo lang makita kasi wala tayong gagawin. Pero pupunta kasi kami ng Vatican after. So hindi kami pwedeng mag-shopping, guys. So yan.
Actually, babalik daw ng bus. So, pwede.
Pwede?
Babalik mo na ng bus kasi
Hindi, check mo na yung price. Ano? Scared? Or scared?
Worth it ba yun, guys?
Yes. Comment down.
Kasi, ngayon, hindi nila ako talaga huhublatan dito. Bakit?
Ano ba itsura?
Tingnan mo, tago mo. Point. Kahit ako, hindi ko mahuhugot kagad yung pera. Close up mo. Point.
Diba? Ako rin, oh. Point. Ano ba yan? Hermes. Pasok na Hermes. Tingnan natin kung magkano ship dito. Bakit close? Close yata. Teka lang. Ba't naman kami nandito? Hello. Diba nakikita ang flag na to? Paano ba pumasok sa mga stores? Ang ganda. Hermes. Paano ba pumasok? Let's see. It's closed, sabi. Closed. Siguro kasi maaga nagko-close ang shops dahil Christmas Eve today sa ating Pilipinas. Wait lang. Malapit na. 3:35. Oo. Pagka nag-meet up kami at 5 o'clock, it's 12 midnight sa atin. Merry Christmas, mga kababayan. Pasyal. Ayan, ito itsura ng Roma. Ito guys, may golden goose. Ang sapatos na madumi. Oo, yung mukhang maduming sapatos. Pero mahal. Oo, yan. Pwede magpa-customize dyan. Yan, nagka-customize sila.
Dinudumihan pa nila lahat.
Yes. Price noon, mga around 40k. Golden Goose. Mabigat kasi guys, di ko type. Type niya ba ako? Baka hindi naman type siya. So, yan. Because, sa France siya. Nag-originate. Yeah, that's why dito ako sa Italy bumili ng Prada dahil Prada brand ay Italy. Kaya mas mura. Louis Vuitton, Hermes, Goyard.
Ba't di ka bumili ulit dun sa Goyard?
Ingay, baka ano. Guys, book nyo nga muna ako. PO Village, saka Ramspad. Para naman pagdating naman ng Paris ay baka may budget na. Okay, maghahanap kami guys para makaupo kami to dine. Ako gusto ko ng pasta now. Dito tayo sa tapat ulit ng Spanish Embassy. Malapit naman dito ang aming meetup place. Kain tayo, tapos inom tayo ng spritz. Kung ano man lasa nun. Ayun, may restaurante bar dito. May pizzeria also. Yan, huwag na tayo titingin ng presyo. Dahil tayo ay nasa Roma, Italia. Saan kaya? So, okay, we'll be eating now. Yeah, it's fancy, huh? Okay, let's order. Yes. Bago na tayo, guys. Re-restaurant na tayo. Okay, get tayo, guys. Na isang pasta. We get dessert na tiramisu tsaka spritz. Okay, very good. Okay naman ang presyo, guys. Okay, naka-order na tayo. Hindi naman required, guys, na order ng tig-isa. Oh, yes, please. Thank you, sir. Yummy! Guys, we have spritz, we have carbonara, and we have tiramisu. What? Like it?
Ito pa yung tiramisu. Titikman ko na siya dati, hindi ko lang na yun yung lasa. Na-recall ko lang siya right now. Sarap.
Merry Christmas, everyone! Cheers! Guys, alam niyo ba't masarap ang carbonara dito? Kasi ang original na carbonara, guys, wow. Pagpagkain, ako na to. Diba yung sa atin, we use cream. Dito, you use yung egg yolk. Yun, iwiwis mo sa iwiwis. Yun ang totoong sauce ng carbonara. Tapos mayo, tapos pepper, tapos cheese, bacon. Perfecto. Lord, di ko alam na may experience ko kumain ng carbonara sa Italia. Maiyak pa ako. Oh, may alak na kasi. Ang spritz naman, guys, Aperol Spritz. Ito naman ang pinakasikat nila na drink. Dito, parang when you wanna chill, drink, ito ang kukunin. Tiramisu for dessert. Yan, very Italy. Guys, nakalimutan ko na kayo. Sobrang sarap kasi ng carbonara. Super. Itong spritz, makalalasing kami. Lalakad pa naman kami. So, dahan-dahan lang. Super sarap. Try natin tiramisu. Coffee.
You should take the one na ito.
Sarap.
Kasi icing lang yung nakuha mo.
Icing lang ba? Ito may bread. Sarap. Hindi siya matamis. Get kayo tiramisu when you're here in Italy. Harap. I love it. Anong masasabi ko, ang bait talaga ng tao dito sa Italy, di ba? Sinabi kasi namin, nagkuha na ng dish namin. Sabi ko, very good carbonara and tiramisu. Sabi ko, itong spritz, sabi ko, it's kinda strong. Tapos, nagsabi if I want more tonic or anything. Pero iha-half ko lang siya dahil 500 pesos to, guys. Baka lasing tayo pagdating ng Vatican mamaya. Pero parang kaya naman. Na ano na naman yung water. Cheers! Let's do a bill reveal. We're here at Mignanelli. Just, across the Spanish, Spanish Embassy. So, the bill is 33 euros. Ano yun? Totale persona. Merong per person. 33 euros is ano yun? 2,000. Okay na rin. Okay lang for merienda. Let's pay. Yeah, 33.
Ito may 3 ako.
Tips are already included.
Sabi?
Tips not included. Thank you. What do you mean? So, hindi ko alam magkano ba ang tip dito.
Diba 10%?
Magdagdag na lang ng 10%. 3 lang. 3 euros. 18. Give me 2. 1. Give me 2. This is mine. Okay. 18 euros kami. Jello, 1,000 for our date for Christmas time. Ito pa lang naman ang gastos namin, guys. Marami pa kaming cash. Wow, pili. Ito pa na ba kinain natin? Tsaka gelato, no? Gelato namin kanina is 4.5. 274. Okay din. Parang kapresyo ng Crimea sa Japan. Nagtatawanan ako ni Jello. Kasi sabi ko, paano pag di nagsukli? 33 lang yung bill namin. Tapos 40 yung nilagay namin. Sabi niya, uy, wag na. Sabi niya gano'n. Sabi ko, 500 ang tip mo. Sabi niya, inom ka lang na alak ng kuripot ka. Mahal ko yun. Sige, minsan lang naman nandito. Yan! I love it. Maglalakad na kami. Mag-toilet lang kami kasi guys, sa mga toilet dito, may bayad. So, kapag nag-dine kayo, gumamit na rin kayo ng toilet para hindi kayo pa 2 euros. Okay, we're done eating. It's now 4:39, 20 minutes before our call time. So, ano sinasabi mo?
Inclusive na kasi sa charges nila dito sa
Italy.
Which is 10% I think.
Yung cost. Naka-10 na, kaya may 10% doon kanina.
So, yung tip, it's okay daw kapag nagustuhan mo yung service. Usually, yung tip would range around 10% to 15%. Pero hindi siya mandatory.
Okay.
Kasi sa ibang lugar, mandatory siya.
Okay.
So, usually, nagbibigay ng tip pagka around 50 to 100 euros daw. Kasi, considered as big service yun. Pero kunyari, kung nag-drink ka lang, okay lang yun. May service charge na kasi siya.
Kasama na siya.
Yes.
So, ang bill namin is 2,000. So, yung 33, nagbigay ka ng 40, binalik naman.
Oo, binalik siya. Siyempre, babalik ko na.
Okay,
Pero
binalik
kung
siya.
super, goods ka sa service nila,
You leave it.
Yeah. Like, around, kung 33 ka, mga around 3 to 4 euros.
Yeah,
Very good din.
very good. Pero very good ang service nila, I must say. Nohan. Talagang very kind ng tao dito sa Italy, all smiles. I think fair lang rin yung presyo ng carbonara, like 10 euros. Well, 700. Pero ganun kasi talaga yung food dito. Tapos, nasa touristy place din tayo. It's chilly now. Sana naririnig nyo ako. Maglalakad na kami if makaabot pa kami sa Pandora. Kasi, meron akong charm. Tapos guys, yung charm ko, every country na pinupuntahan ko, hindi ko na nga siya natuloy-tuloy sa mga Asian countries natin, no? Pero, yun nga, when I went to Europe in 2018, bumili ako sa Paris, sa Belgium, and sa Amsterdam. So, itutuloy natin siya ngayon. Lamig.
Medyo malayo.
Malayo na. No need na, no
500
need na.
meters, mahasil tayo.
Yeah, we're here na eh. Everyone's here now. So,
Dami
ayan.
pa naman Pandora. Lahat naman ng
Yeah.
lugar.
We can ask naman Pandora from other country na will get something special from Italy. So, ayan, we're back again here sa Spanish Steps. Dito ang meetup place namin. Nandito na yung mga iba namin ka-group sa Dior. Woo! Lamig! Okay, naka-shop na rin yung iba. Okay, we're here. Very good. Nag-ring na yung bell, guys. It's Christmas time! Merry Christmas, everybody! Hope you had good Noche Buena. Kumain ba kayo ng masarap? Comment down below kung ano kinain nyo. Kami carbonara at tiramisu. Yan, we're going to Vatican naman. We're walking towards the bus. Punta kami ng hotel. Merry Christmas! Congratulations! Congratulations! Merry Christmas!
Love's in there.
She cried. Proposal on Christmas Day. Oh my gosh. Yes. Merry Christmas. kiss. Hi, Roma. That's our flag. There, this is the restaurant where we'll have our dinner. Pero for the others like us, hindi na kami mag-dinner guys dahil hindi naman gutom na. So yan. Punta na tayo sa Vatican.